안녕하세요. Good evening, everyone. How's your day today? Hey, happy Friday. I had a great cooking lesson with Vivian and her mom earlier today. So now, right, I plan to cook seaweed soup for tonight, but suddenly I changed my mind. I'm going to cook the kimchi jjigae, very simple one, quick one. So I decided to make the movie. Yeah. No measurements, just quickly do. Yeah, how I do usually. So you just watch it. Yeah, I'll show you how to do it. So let me change the angle to the pot. Okay, so this one on the heat. Add the sesame oil. Isn't the sesame oil? Yeah, 참기름. Up. Then I'm going to cook my kimchi. This is well fermented. And here I add some onions. Okay, I'm going to use the tuna cans. For here, tuna can. Okay, and then just add on. Add the water. Garlic. 새우젓. I like the green part, so I'm gonna add this green part to the top part. This one is enoki mushrooms. I use it to other dishes, and then I still have it, so I just add it on. Just cook for a while. Finally, I'm going to add the chilies. And done. So my kimchi jjigae is done today. So kimchi jjigae actually can be very simple, very quick. If you have a kimchi, just separate kimchi first, and then add. Today I used a tuna can because I couldn't find about the pork or the meats, and then also I cooked the meats for dinner as a main dish. So I just decided to use a tuna can instead. So I just add it in, and season done. Very simple. Don't think too much. Korean food, to make Korean food is not that complicated. Just enjoy cooking, and that's it. So, but if you come to my cooking lessons, I teach you step by step, not like a So you just contact me if you want to learn the Korean cuisine, the step by step, on hands-on. So So, okay, so I just wanted to show you how to make the quick and simple, easy kimchi jjigae. Thank you. So, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy the process. I'm making the super simple, quick kimchi jjigae. See ya. Enjoy your dinner on Friday. Ciao.